Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Autovia Car Rental, a service that's been gaining traction in Europe and beyond. If you're someone who travels often, whether for business or leisure, and you want to know whether Autovia is worth your time and money in 2025, then stick around because I'll be covering everything you need to know, from an overview, its features, pricing, pros and cons, and of course a balanced conclusion. Let's get started. Autovia is an Italian-based car rental company that has been around since the late 1990s, and it has built a strong reputation in the European car rental space. Unlike some of the bigger global players, Autovia has positioned itself as a more locally rooted, customer-focused brand that specializes in providing flexible rental options at competitive prices. They have a strong presence in Italy, with rental offices conveniently located at major airports, train stations, and city centers. Over the years, they've also expanded their footprint, offering rentals in other parts of Europe. What makes them stand out is their focus on providing modern fleets and tailored services that suit not just tourists, but also professionals, families, and businesses who may need short-term or even long-term rental solutions. One of the big draws of Autovia is its ability to combine affordability with premium quality service. Many users have reported that their rental process feels less intimidating compared to bigger international brands, and they also like that Autovia emphasizes Italian hospitality, flexibility, and transparent pricing. Now, let us talk about the main features. Diverse fleet options. Autovia offers a wide range of vehicles, from budget-friendly compact cars to SUVs, luxury vehicles, vans, and even electric cars. This ensures that no matter your travel style or group size, there's something for you. Airport and city accessibility. With branches located at major airports like Rome Fiumicino, Milan, Malpensa, and Venice Marco Polo, plus central city offices, it's easy to pick up and drop off a vehicle at a convenient location. Business and long-term rentals. Unlike some tourist-focused rental companies, Autovia also caters to businesses and individuals who need cars for weeks or months at a time with flexible long-term rental plans. Digital booking system. Their website and mobile booking process are straightforward, allowing you to reserve your car online with instant confirmation. Transparent policies. They emphasize clear rental agreements, fair fuel policies, and options for full insurance coverage to minimize surprise costs. Customer support. As seen on the homepage, many customers praise their responsive staff both in person at rental desks and via their customer service team. They're known for being approachable and willing to explain policies clearly, which isn't always the case with bigger chains. Now let us talk about the pricing. Autovia is generally believed to be more affordable than big name brands. Although the pricing is not clearly displayed on the website, but to make any inquiries, you can use the unique number to make a phone call or send an email to this email address. Of course, for long-term rentals, you can expect that the costs will become more competitive as opposed to short-term rental. But when you start the booking process, Autovia is upfront about all of these fees. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Autovia Car Rental? First, the pros. Competitive pricing compared to larger international brands. There's a wide fleet to select from, including eco-friendly options. And they are located at convenient locations at airports, train stations, and city centers. They also have a strong reputation for customer service and transparency. How about the cons? Well, coverage is still limited mostly to Italy and select European regions. That's a major con that you might want to consider. So, is Autovia the best choice for car rentals in 2025? Well, in many ways I'd say yes, especially if you're traveling in Italy or nearby regions of Europe. What sets Autovia apart is its combination of affordability, convenience, and customer-focused service. Autovia has managed to maintain a more personalized and welcoming approach while still offering the professional reliability that travelers expect. And there's a wide fleet of vehicles to select from. There are car rentals and there are van rentals. Of course, if you're someone who needs worldwide coverage or you're looking for premium perks like loyalty programs that span across continents, then Autovia might not be the best fit. But if your travels are focused on Italy and you want a stress-free, affordable, and reliable car rental service, then Autovia is definitely worth considering in 2025. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Hertz, Europcar, and Sixt. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.